present continuous tense. The structure is subject plus is, am, are, was, were plus verb ing plus object. For example, she is washing clothes. The present continuous form is used for something happening now. Present continuous form present time मा भइरहेको एक्सन को लागि युज गरिन्छ। जस्तै उनी लुगा धोइरहेकी छिन्। She is washing clothes. Next is something about temporary situations. For example, he is living with his grandparents. ऊ आफ्नो grandparents सँग बसिरहेको छ। It means temporary situation. Future मा ऊ separate पनि हुन सक्छ भन्ने जनाउँछ यो सेन्टेन्सले। He is living with his grandparents. Next sentence, he lives with his grandparents. Present simple tense मा रहेको छ। First sentence present continuous tense मा रहेको छ भने next sentence simple present tense मा रहेको छ। First sentence ले temporary situation लाई denote गर्छ भने second sentence ले permanent situation लाई denote गर्छ। It means ऊ grandparents सँग बस्छ। ऊ past मा पनि बसेको थियो, present मा पनि बसिरहेको छ र future मा पनि बस्ने कुरालाई denote गर्छ। Next use something which is changing, जुन change भइरहन्छ। For example, your English is improving. It will probably continue in the future. Future time मा पनि change हुन सक्छ। अझै यो भन्दा पनि राम्रो improvement आउन सक्छ। An action that is prearranged. It means you are 100% certain that this action will happen. Future मा हुने action जुन 100% sure छ भने यस्तो condition मा पनि हामी present continuous tense use गर्न सक्छौं। For example, I'm getting my hair cut on Sunday. यो sentence मा time specific छ, on Sunday. म आफ्नो कपाल कटाउन जाँदैछु। यो sentence present continuous tense सँगै causative verb को passive form मा रहेको छ। Causative verb भनेको अरूबाट कुनै पनि काम गर्न लगाउनु, आफैले गर्नु होइन। यहाँ I am getting my hair cut भनिएको छ, म आफ्नो कपाल कटाउन जाँदैछु। यहाँ verb cut cut यो verb को third form हो। cut को first form पनि cut हुन्छ, second form पनि cut हुन्छ र third form पनि cut हुन्छ। Causative verb को passive form मा जहिले पनि third form use हुन्छ। Describing a repeated action. Present continuous tense repeated action को लागि पनि use गरिन्छ, जुन action, जुन behavior repeat भइरहनु। For example, Anna is always eating something. Anna जहिले पनि केही न केही खाइरहेकी हुन्छिन्। उसको त्यो behavior हो, habit, जुन कहिले पनि end हुँदैन। जुन पनि टाइम मा भेट्यो केही न केही अलिकति खाइरहने habit। यसको लागि पनि हामी present continuous tense use गर्न सक्छौं। Anna is always eating something. यो sentence ले repeated action मात्र नभएर complaint को पनि sense दिन्छ। यस्तो केसमा जहिले पनि adverb, always, forever जस्तो adverbहरू use गरिन्छ, जसले complaint को sense दिन्छ। यसरी forever, always जस्तो adverbहरू जहिले पनि complaint को लागि मात्रै use गरिँदैन, present simple tense को लागि पनि कहिलेकाहीँ use गरिन्छ। We can use the present continuous for things which are unfinished. प्रेजेन्ट कन्टिन्युअस फर्म हामी अनफिनिश्ड एक्सनको लागि युज गर्न सक्छौं जुन काम सकिएको छैन पहिले भइरहेको थियो र अहिले पनि कन्टिन्यू भइरहेको छ फर एक्जाम्पल he is looking for a new job ऊ नयाँ काम खोजिरहेको छ she is studying a lot these days describing a photo or picture if you are describing a photo and want to say what is happening you can use the present continuous for example on the right of the photo she is trying to throw something यहाँ स्क्रिनमा दिएको एड्रेसमा गएर तपाईले हाम्रो युट्युब च्यानलमा भएको सम्पूर्ण भिडियोहरू इजिली फाइन्ड गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ Thank you so much for watching. Please hit like, share and subscribe.